As ICE raids become more commonplace in Massachusetts, the state is issuing guidelines on how they should be handled in schools.
22 News State House reporter Olivia Ray has the latest guidelines from the Attorney General.
After reports of immigrant parents keeping their children home from school out of fear of ICE, the Attorney General issued a set of guidelines for educators. Shortly after President Trump was sworn in for his second term, the Department of Homeland Security ended a policy that previously limited ICE's ability to make arrests at or near schools, hospitals, churches, and other so-called sensitive locations. The Department of Education commented on the decision, saying, quote, "We are really clear about schools' obligations to protect students and their information, because this is a strong component of protecting students' education information at the heart of it as well." Attorney General Andrea Campbell's guidelines are not a formal legal opinion, but are instead strong suggestions on the best ways to comply with federal law while still protecting children. The AG says Massachusetts schools are required to provide equal access to education to all children, regardless of their immigration status. Schools are also forbidden from sharing students' information with third parties, including ICE, without informed written consent from a parent or guardian. Campbell clarified what information schools should have on record, saying, quote, "As a general matter, schools should not collect for enrollment purposes or maintain documents that contain passport information, visa information, and social security numbers." She also notes that if ICE attempts to remove a student from a classroom, schools should notify a parent or guardian to obtain consent or obtain a valid judicial warrant. 22 News will keep you informed on ICE and Massachusetts school policies, on air and online at wwlp.com. Working for you from the State House in Boston, I'm Olivia Ray, 22 News.